Hey everyone, welcome back to the show! Today we've got some exciting topics to dive into, so let's get started!
Let me tell you something shocking. Rich people don't avoid credit cards. They love them. In fact, most millionaires you admire never pay cash the way you do. Same credit cards, same banks, but completely different rules. And today, I'm revealing the exact secrets rich people use legally to make credit cards work for them, while most people stay trapped in debt. If you've ever wondered why you're always paying interest and rich people never are, this video will change how you use money forever. Most people think rich people are rich because they earn more. That's only partly true. The real difference is how they use money tools. Credit cards are one of the biggest tools, and also the biggest traps. Middle-class people use credit cards to buy things. Poor people use them to survive. Rich people use them to multiply value. Same plastic, different mindset. Let's break down exactly how. Here's a hard truth. Most people swipe their credit card for things that lose value. Clothes, phones, restaurants, gadgets. Rich people, they swipe only when the purchase does one of three things. 1. Makes money. 2. Saves time. 3. Increases leverage. Example, a rich entrepreneur puts business expenses on a card, ads, software, flights, because those expenses generate income. A regular person puts the same flight on the card for vacation and pays interest for memories. Same swipe, different outcome. Rich people ask one question before using a card. Does this expense pay me back? If the answer is no, they don't swipe. This part shocks most people. Rich people hate debt, but they love credit cards. Why? Because they never spend money they don't already have. They use credit cards like a debit card. Full balance, paid every month. Zero interest, no emotional spending. The card is just a payment tool, not borrowed money. Meanwhile, most people think, I'll pay it later. Rich people think, I already have this money. That's the difference between control and slavery. Here's something banks won't tell you. When your credit score is high, banks chase you. Rich people maintain excellent credit, use cards regularly, pay on time every time. So banks offer them lower interest, higher